I think King's was really helpful for me in reaching my goals. It gave me the level to be able to access university. Hello, my name is Nathan. So I was a student at King's Bournemouth. Now I'm studying business and management here at Bath Spa University. Yeah, maybe lots of students decide to go to London. Personally, I'm not really a big fan of big cities. I like when it's more quiet, when I have some space. I chose business management because I've always been entrepreneurial. I've always wanted to have some projects, to create some ideas and make them come to life. It's how you can leverage your ability as a person and actually provide value to people and help the society. I think that studying in King's helped me to get more organized here at university, because when I came here, I applied the same kind of habits and it works really well. So yeah, I think King's Bournemouth definitely prepares you to university, yeah. I used to be a person who didn't really know what I wanted to do. I was a bit lost, I had some ideas, and people that I met there at King's really helped me to transform myself and become like a more organized and goal-oriented person. King's took me from a place where I didn't really know what I wanted to do to now I'm at university and I'm a happy student.